is very, very quiet. There's almost no vibration. I've got room for 3 belts. This spindle here is not the best. It's got some run out to it. That's my nail on there. This one, it feels like there's a bit more vibration, but it's just two roller bearings. Two roller bearings in here. I have some angular contact bearings, but I had issues with the heat. I made this guy here, which actually has a sealed bearing in front and a sealed bearing in back. So there's actually 4 bearings in here, but this runs at about 65 Celsius, and the blast transition temperature of PLA is right about there. But this doesn't seem to be putting out any heat. Maybe a little bit, but not too much at all. I gotta try to figure out how to add some fins and a little cooling fan to both of these, I guess, if I wanted to. But this is an ER8 with a 6mm shaft, and this is an ER11 with an 8mm shaft. So I was experimenting with. I put some. I put some Loctite 640 on here, so this thing isn't going to come apart. I won't be able to take it apart. So I was going to see if I could make some pulleys to go from this spindle out and up, and then over to the top of this spindle. And I had messed with this shaft a while ago. So what I did is I put it on the lathe and I hard turned an 8mm by 1 thread into this shaft, which actually went mostly pretty good. So as you can see, I actually have the shaft. There's 2 wave spring washers in here. So there's one up in here and one here. And so I've preloaded with the first nut, and then I've locked it in place with the second nut. So it turns pretty freely. I think that's why I have a lot less friction than this one, which I think I put a lot more preload on this particular version. So anyway, I'm actually pretty happy with this. Now the other reason that I made this mount was I had tested mounting one of these outrunner motors. I actually have 2 of these, and both of them vibrate like crazy. Compared to this is whisper quiet and vibration free, very well balanced. These things are just jittering around all over the place. And so while it actually worked pretty well, I did some test cuts with this. Again, it generated too much heat for the holder, and really I guess I could make a holder out of aluminum. I can still use this spindle, but I need to use an aluminum holder for that to work. But this is the first time I've tried using these O-rings as drive belts, and it actually seems to be working pretty well. So I can put a 3rd belt on here if I want to. So anyway, that's my late night spindle experiment.